Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to make a quick video addressing items like this annoying exhaust rattle, as well as the license plate bracket, and I'm going to be swapping back my old wheels so that I can drop the car off to Falcon Creations. Let's jump right into it. Let's see if I can get this on camera. This guy is shot, and I'm pretty sure he's the one responsible for my noise. Part number for anybody who's interested. With that exhaust hanger taken care of, we can move on to the license plate bracket. This generic bracket did its job, but it's ugly and it's off center. This replacement RareForm 3D bracket had some pretty good reviews, and it's out of sight. Even though I told myself I wasn't going to over tighten it, I over tightened it. And I'm breaking it, but it still holds, does its job, so I decided to keep moving forward. After struggling for a bit, I ended up giving up on the license plate holder from 6 Speed, and I should have just bought all of the exhaust hangers because it's still a rattle. The rattle isn't as bad though. I'll add a sound clip for reference in a moment. And how it sounded before. The Centric rings I ordered finally arrived, and before swapping on the old wheels and tires, I test fit to make sure that they fit properly, and they do. I'm looking forward to being able to drive these new wheels and tires. The car is going to be transformed the next time you see it. I'm putting the old wheels on because I am going to be delivering the car to Falcon Creations, as they are going to be the ones to mount the kit that I showed on the last video. So with that being said, I want to take this opportunity to thank my sponsors, 6 Speed and Mishimoto. I also want to thank all of you for tuning in. The next time you see my Cappuccino, it's going to have all the parts from the previous video installed, and I can't wait. Catch you all next time. Have a good one.